Dan the Houseman here, coming to you live from McHenry, Illinois, with an illustration of what a drain rotting kit would look like. This is something that you'd want to keep in a box in the garage, ready to go at all times, so that you can efficiently take care of a clog in a kitchen sink, bathroom sink, shower, bathtub, laundry tub. You get the idea. The main tool to be used is this hand-cranked, self-driving and retrieving rotter. The importance of this tool is that it can retrieve hair, it can break up hair clogs, it can open up the line really well when used properly and with the right materials. The right materials being some Dawn dishwashing liquid to help keep the clog from recoagulating inside of the drain. Using some gloves and a flashlight. The flashlight comes important because you want to make sure that that cable is going down the drain inside of the T, not up the vent. If it's going up the vent, it's not going to unclog your drain, right? You need some channel locks for opening up that P-trap. You need some tape and a plastic bag that you have cut to use for protective cover of the inside of the cabinet or bathtub or shower. I also recommend having a towel or something else that's very soft if you're working inside of a bathtub or shower base, because when you're setting these tools down, you don't want them to be tearing up that nice finish inside of the shower or bathtub. For the cabinets, you want a light that you can have in there working at all times and not relying just on the flashlight to see what you're doing. Keep this kit clean, ready to go, and that includes cleaning this cable after each use, okay? I recommend that when you pull it out of the drain, try to pull it out of the drain and put it into a bucket full of soapy water, Dawn dishwashing liquid, soapy and water, and clean that cable up before you retrieve it back into this basket, and you won't have a really nasty, gnarly, rusty cable when you go to use it next time. All right, let's get that cabinet ready, and let's rot a drain.